After you are accepted on a study abroad program, you should start preparing for any health needs that you will have while abroad. One of the first things you should do is return to your application, where you will find this health medical self-assessment and health emergency agreement. Please fill this out as honestly as possible and as accurately as possible, so those on site can best assist you if needed. You should also meet with your doctor before traveling to make sure you have all your required medication for the time you will be abroad. Double check that the medication you take is allowed abroad, and if it is not, discuss alternate options with your doctor. Make sure that when you travel, you carry a copy of the prescription so you can show this to TSA or Customs if asked. We ask that students do not have any major medical procedures close to their travel date. If you have any mental health needs, please talk to your therapist, psychologist, or psychiatrist to figure out the best plan for while you are abroad. As a student with Marymount, you will have access to the Chubb International Travel Assistance Program. This does not replace your current health insurance, but is an extra resource for immediate help internationally. Attached to this learning content on your application, you will find two documents: the ID for this travel assistance program and the description of them. You can log in and learn more about it and read more about it here.